Hello, my crafty friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing the part 3 of my Create a Junk Journal series here on my channel. I've actually done 2 different videos now, and this one is going to be creating the cover page for the journal itself. So, what I decided to do was I took a little piece of this canvas that I got. I got that little piece. I think it's from a little artsy um, mixed media pack that I bought at Tuesday Morning. And I wanted to pull in that little journaling paper. So that basically that paper has a bunch of journaling on it. So I just wanted to pull that in because I thought it was really cool, cute, and obviously it's a journal. And then it also is the first page of the journal itself, so it kind of brought the two things together. And I happen to have that little New York, Destination New York ephemera piece, little cut apart that I bought in I got in a little travel pack, and I thought this is so perfect. The interesting thing is the date is almost right because the date on, I don't know if it's a date, but it's like a number, that little number right there, because it is in June that we're going. So I don't know. I just thought it was really cool. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put together the kind of the design of the cover, and this probably came out a little bit more bulkier than I had originally planned, but I ultimately really like how it turned out. I just didn't really plan it for it to be as kind of bulky as it is. All right, and you'll see I'm messing with those little pieces of wood veneer there, but I don't ultimately use those, so just ignore them. And you can see I inked up the side. I used my distressed ink. Let's see what color that is. That is the Tim Holtz Distressed Ink Broken China. And I used that and that little tabby thing there that says memory. I'm just going to get that glued on real quick. And I am ultimately going to sew a bunch of stuff on this, so I'm just kind of using the glue as kind of a placement tool for me, just to help me keep it all in place. And I got a spot on the front cover. I think I got some ink on it or something, but I do cover it up with the little pocket, so you can't see it too bad. All right, so I did take the all of that piece to my sewing machine, and I just sewed around the edges. And I am going to plan on making this a little pocket in the front, so I'm just taking some red line tape here and just going to put that tape around 3 of the edges and just keep that as a little tuck spot pocket thing in the front. So you can just watch me put tape on this little pocket. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and peel that off. I'm so glad I got my nails done. Sorry about my nail. You know, life happens. But you still have to craft, even with gross, ugly nails. All right, so I'm going to place that on there, and I did want to cover up that little spot, so I'm trying to cover that up, but obviously it wasn't exactly where I wanted it to be, but that's all right. It's a junk journal. It's supposed to be messy. And then, of course, it's a little pocket. And then the cool thing is it became a little tuck spot the way that I sewed it. Because I just sewed it around the edges. So I'm just pulling out some stuff here that I think I want to put there. And this is kind of where it became kind of bulky because I kept adding things to the little tuck spots. But it's okay. I like it. It turned out cute. So there you can just see my mess of all of my little ephemera pieces. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's right. I added that little piece because it says memories and then it says happy moments. And you can just see I'm testing out a bunch of little things here. Just going through my stash and looking at all the things I could use potentially. I think I pull one more piece out. Let's see. Nope, it's not that one. That's not there. No, you didn't use that, Crystal. Take that away. Go away. Bye-bye. I didn't use that. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I used that little green piece of paper. Yep, I'm going to put that in that pocket right there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get that little happy moments glued on. I definitely wanted to use that. One of my main colors is in the planner is navy, so I called it a planner. In the journal is navy, so I wanted to use that. I'm just trying a couple different things here, but I ultimately use that little piece right there. And then I actually put in one more additional piece, that little green piece. Oh, I put the ticket in there too, in this little pocket. And I'm just trimming up the sides, and then to punch the hole, I'm just going to get my little punch there and just line it up and punch the hole. And then, yep, that little ticket is going to sit right in there. I was afraid it was going to fall off, but I think I might actually have glued it. Yep, there you go. I took a glue dot and stuck a glue dot on the back, on the front, and then I stuck it to the little New York ticket thing. And then I'm just going to grab that little piece right there and stick that into the pocket on the front after I trim it up. And I will probably add journaling to these little pieces eventually, but for now, they're blank. All right, so there you go. That is all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great rest of your day, and the next video will be a complete flip through of the completed junk journal. Bye.